Hello, and welcome to craftbeer.com, your one-stop shopping for specialty and unique beers from all around the world. Craftbeer.com is targeted at the discriminating consumer who is a connoisseur of specialty and unique beers. As a result, we choose our quality of product offerings versus quantity of selection. So in designing our site, we decided to offer only beers that are their latest releases, because there are thousands and thousands of different craft beers from around the world. So the latest releases based on customer recommendations only. And also, we rotate our product offerings periodically so that our selection remains fresh, remains relevant, and on the cutting edge. Now, let me introduce you to our development team.
Hi, my name is Leonel Lopez, and I focused on the API architecture in our project.
Hi, I'm Frank Silva, and my primary focus on this project was working on the backend database adapters and the API routes.
Hi, I'm Austin Relaford. I mostly worked on the user API routes and some of the database adapters.
And I'm Dennis Castro. My primary focus for this project was front-end design, user experience, and Scrum Master.
Before we do a walkthrough of our web application, I'd like to give you a quick rundown of the programming languages and frameworks that we use, and a little explanation of how they all work together. Our main programming language for craft beer was JavaScript. As for the styling, we're excited to say that we decided to go with pure CSS and opted not to use any libraries or pre-made code. As for the functionality in our app, we used React. With React, we were able to improve the user experience by allowing us to store data, navigate through the app, click on links, and update the page in a very efficient way. In our walkthrough, we will see Frank register and log in as a user, and you may be asking yourself, where's all this data coming from? Well, all of our data is being stored in a database hosted in Postgres, our preferred database management system for this app. This is where we store all the users, products, orders, and products to order information. As for the receiving and sending part of it all, our web application makes the calls to our API with Axios. This call reaches our Express server and sends back the data requested. Throughout our development process, we use Node.js in order to test our code on our local computer outside of the web browser. Now here's Frank to give you a walkthrough of our app. Thank you.
Today I'm going to be walking you through the user experience of our site. So let's start off by registering a user. After sign up, you'll be redirected to the login form. Let's go ahead and give login a try now. As you can see, we have password protected. If you enter the wrong username or password, you'll throw an error, as you can see. So let's go ahead and log in. After login, you'll be redirected to your profile where you can see your completed orders and your created orders. Let's take a look at our completed. There's 2 completed orders in there already. Let's shop our products. Now let's just give a little scroll through our inventory, see what we got. You can click on each beer and get a little bit of details. You can add quantity, purchase product, go back, add some more, why not? And now let's view our cart. As you can see, we have a couple in here. I'm not sure if we need that much, so let's remove some items from our cart. After you decide what you want in your cart, you can check out. Thank you for shopping with craftbeer.com, and then hit log out and you're all good to go.
We at craftbeer.com are constantly working to make improvements to our app. In future updates, we'll be including an expanded customer user interface to include reviews on each beer, additional profile customization, and wish list to share with any of your friends and tell them what you're interested in. We'll also be featuring a more expanded administrative tool set so that we can keep our backend running smoothly and keep the site up. And we'd also like to thank our project managers, Preston, Tom, and Red, for everything they've done for us over these past 6 months, and really thankful for it. So, from all of us at craftbeer.com, cheers.
Cheers.
Kampai.
Aloha.